Hey, what's up guys, it's Cruising Casper, and today I have a brand new video for you, and I'm going to be talking about the very latest Bitcoin news that you need to know, the very latest XRP news, UFO, and Sprout, and pretty much just all coins that you should get into if you are looking to be a millionaire, which I know all of you are. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. And before that, actually, I would really appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe on this video. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate all the kind words on the last video, and here we go. We're on this journey together. So this is the chart I kind of laid out for Bitcoin. It's the same one as I showed as last time. We're still in that kind of in that consolidation range currently, still around the 41.98. We're currently down for the day. I think we're up, sorry, but we've currently been on a little bit of a downtrend here. And I think we're ultimately going to drop to around the 40k range, lowest I'd say 41k, and then we're going to just like go back up and just consolidate around here. If we ultimately break this line, then we are looking bullish. But for the next week, I'd say just stay patient, guys, and just don't get too greedy. Just keep your profits, or keep hodling, and you should be good. So if you guys are wondering why this has happened, so this is due to another retail shakeout. This is just showing how the trend is changing and ultimately how it does not matter, but the 50k range we're pushing towards could be in the short to long term. Like I said, we could be in this range for about 7 days, so just stay patient. Before you guys buy in and put all your money in, I just look for the more bullish indicators to see where you can make your bigger bag. By the end of the month, we'll probably be around that 45 to 46k range, so right around here. And why are the markets going down? Like, if you guys are wondering why are the markets going down, it's because, hold on, there's a sorry, just bear with me right here. Actually, it's okay. Anyway, so the markets are just going down ultimately because there's a Bitcoin death cross. And pretty much this means if there's a Bitcoin death cross, that let me just show you guys. So pretty much, let's say there'll be a blue line going through right here, the trading volume just slowly going up and up and up. And then there's going to be the everyday moving hour, the moving day average, which is like a little squiggly line. And pretty much this line's going like that and the other one's going like that. So it causes an X right here because the other one goes like that, and that one continues to go up slowly because the Bitcoin market cap just gets ultimately higher and higher over time, and the other one just goes down because price is volatile, right? So it went down here, then it went up, and then it went and it broke the cross, as you can see, pretty much like right here. Pretty much it broke the cross and it performed a golden cross right here. So right here we've had a cross down. So this kind of shows it best a little bit. So imagine this is the line that goes through the market cap, and then the moving day average goes down, and then right here, once it goes back up, we're gonna have another golden cross and we're off to the races. That's when we're looking for that 100k to 150k range for the end of the year. And if you guys are wondering why the markets have gone down, why are we in this right now? Like, what's going on? Like, why isn't Bitcoin going up? If you guys are curious, pretty much it's because the 10-year Treasury Yield has, as you can see, has been going up recently. But this is weird because the 10-year Treasury has broken levels that it hasn't broken in the last couple of years since the COVID shakedown, or it hasn't actually broke this range at all, actually. And you can see it's currently the highest right now. It's 1.8%. So this means that usually Bitcoin follows the same treasury chart, but for some reason it hasn't been following it, and this is the first time it hasn't done it. As you guys can see, in October, November, and early December, the Treasury Yield was up. You can see early November, December, that Bitcoin was a little up still, and then after that crashed. It crashed too, because this is very important, guys. And the Treasury Yield is very correlated with Bitcoin. When the 10-year Treasury Yield goes up, the Bitcoin price goes up. But now we've seen a 10-year has gone up, but Bitcoin has gone down, which is very strange. Meaning this is a breakout potentially many other are seeing this trends as well. So what I'm trying to say is that the Treasury Yield has gone up, but Bitcoin hasn't gone up, meaning there's currently manipulation in the market. So we could see this price literally hit 50k, 45k in the next couple of days. That's why I'm saying the next week is very vital. Just stay patient and just watch these markets, because this could just be ultimately very good for everybody. If you guys are wondering, the 10-year Treasury Yield is a return on lending for the government for money for 10 years. So if you were to lend the government money for 10 years, so if they were to sell you a book, the government will say, we'll pay you $10 million, we'll pay you $1 million in 10 years. And they will give you a coupon, meaning 1% return for each year. And long story short, if the bond price is higher, they make a lower rate, meaning the yield gets cheaper because they want more yield. Because the cheaper the price is, the less they make, the less profit they make at the end. So investors look for higher prices when the treasury chart is doing well, so they can sell them. Second reasoning, the NASDAQ 10 is going down. If you guys are unaware, if you guys don't know what the NASDAQ 10 is, you need to know the NASDAQ 10, because everything bases on around the NASDAQ 10. And this has been going down currently, which is pretty bearish, but ultimately this matters on deciding the price of Bitcoin. See how it's been going down the last couple months? Or sorry, let me show you the year chart. 1 second. Oh, no chart available. Well, whatever. Anyway, the NASDAQ is going down, which is bearish, but ultimately matters in the price of Bitcoin. Risky assets are those investors are looking to purchase that earn the amount of gains, right? Because people want the best assets, the riskier gains, the most money, right? So they look for the yield. So they look for the biggest yield at the end of the year. Meaning, when the NASDAQ goes up, they make more, but when the Treasury Yield, the 10-year Treasury Yield goes up, they make less. So the Treasury Yield going up is just ultimately good for Bitcoin, but for the investors, this is bad. So this is just honestly something very strange that's been happening. I just wanted to let you guys know of what my thoughts were on this. And honestly, the best trading strategy I can give you for Q1 2020 is buy the dips, guys. We've been seeing so many dips recently. Like, I can't even describe what a good time it is to buy crypto. Buy the ranges, invest smart, stay patient. If you want to drop $200, drop $100. Wait a day or two, see how the market goes, and then drop the other $50. Why put everything in all at once, right? So, what I want to show, everything is down. There's a lot of good prices right now for everything. Anyway, that's not what I want to get to. Now I want to get into the best altcoins that you guys want to get into for your fucking profit. I got you. So, this is one guy that I just really recommend following. Pentoshi. If you guys are bearish on Bitcoin, this is what I'm just going to show you. Pentoshi, which is known to be the best Bitcoin trader in the world, has been buying Bitcoin up. He bought 10 Bitcoin at 41k. 10 at 41,500. Pretty much, he's everyone's saying that he's memeing and he's gonna buy 420 because he's on the size right there. Look, he's buying them at 41k range. 25 bags, 25, 25, 25. He's bought probably over 300 Bitcoin in the last, I'd say, like last 3 days, and he's just going ham. He's just buying more and more. Look, he's just buying more at this 41k range. And what does that tell you if someone's going crazy buying it at the 41k range? We're heading up to the 45, 46k range. So like, I can positively tell you guys we are heading there. So, Sprout. The Plant DAO. What is a Plant DAO? So just before we get into anything, what is a Plant DAO type token? Where a Plant DAO is a token where the community gets a say in everything, where the money goes, where they plant trees, and how many trees they get planted. So what you say ultimately matters. And this is a new project that I've been looking at. It's called plantdao.io. Plant DAO's mission is to plant trees, save the planet, and provide rewards to holders for being a part of an amazing cause. Project rewards. So they're trying to implement a tax where on the tax of transactions they will be used to actually donate to restore reforestation events, which is great because there's a chirolastic behind it. or aspect behind it. Rewards. Reflections will be implemented, as well as that feel-good feeling that comes with knowing you contributed to reforestating the world. The first 2,000 holders will be whitelisted for an exclusive tree NFT mint. Their socials are all, so pretty much this means how they have 1448 holders. Once it hits 2K, then all the people within that 2,000 range are going to get a free NFT. So donations, where do the funds go? The DAO will be making donations to environmental protections organizations. Develop at least 3 game assets that will be used across open worlds and in multiple game engines. So they will be using their thing. So they're going to be creating game assets that will be in the metaverse and going on to different organizations where you can donate and you can do ultimately different things. But last but not least, the DAO will vote and decide an environmental organization to donate to. So you can choose where you want to donate. If you want to donate to Panama, if you want to donate to Peru, it's ultimately up to you. So the roadmap. The Plant DAO will partner with open world metaverse projects. We will be developing our own game graphics as NFT trees, Sherberry, green spaces, and for any NFT treatment users, we will donate 80% of the rewards to reforestation events or I can't say the word. Whatever. So these are tokenomics: 1% earn rewards, 5% liquidity, 5% marketing. How to buy it? You can buy it on Uniswap. And this is Plant, guys, or this is the Plant DAO, which is honestly, it's called Sprout, and ultimately it's very bullish for the end of the year. It's currently up 666, that shouldn't do something. It's currently up 17% for the day. When I found it last night, I found it last night at 56 around here. So if you guys were to buy it last night, then you would already be up 17% for the day. And honestly, it's just going to keep growing. If you guys want to know something crazy, it was only released on January 10th. This project is only 9 days old. Like, the level of, it's going to be crazy, guys. That's all I got to say. Secondly, XRP. XRP, my baby, my love. So, XRP. If you guys just want to know the rundown of XRP, let me just do it very quickly. So, XRP initially was created to allow large banks and other financial institutions a faster and cheaper alternative. And today, I have breaking news on XRP that the case could end in April. Yes, guys, breaking XRP news. So, FX Street believes that XRP case could close in April. They've currently done a little an interview that they're saying that it's looking for a thing. They've pushed for a mid-discovery or a third installment in mid-January. So we just got to see ultimately what happens with that. And after that, we can just make our decisions. So also, FX Street is looking at a prediction that FX Street believes that XRP price is presenting a great long position. This altcoin trend proves it could break the target of $27. So honestly, guys, just stay very bullish or just stay very patient on XRP. I know you long-term holders have been very patient for a long time, but that's all you got to be in crypto. If you're not patient, then don't bother getting into crypto. That's what I got to say. So this is currently the price. This is the support currently. And we're in a good range right now. It's about 76 cents. And ultimately, it's probably the best buy, I'd say, right now. So if you guys are looking for a nice bag to accumulate for the rest of the year, XRP is your way to go. Lastly, the best altcoin that I have for you is UFO Gaming. UFO Gaming is something big is happening, mortals. So, UFO Gaming. UFO Gaming is play to earn metaverse. Play to earn games are the new gaming model, and they're going to take the world by storm. And UFO Gaming will be the corner piece. One planet, one game, an ever growing ecosystem to play and earn games. gaming blockchain. UFO is going to collaborate, integrate with gaming companies, and they're going to be featured on their blockchains, as other cryptos are going to be featured on their blockchain. They have virtual land. Each game will have its own governing planet, which will run virtual land auctions where people can purchase their own piece of planet and earn revenue in-game by completing specific tasks. In the future, these pieces of land can be used to build infrastructure for that planet, such as a virtual NFT store, collection galleries, weapon stores, to buy and sell NFTs from and inside the game. So they currently have one game called out, Super Galactic. It's pretty dope. It's currently in the beta as well, so once the game is fully out, the price of UFO is going to skyrocket. So all these stuff, you guys can pause and read yourselves. And this is a project that I am very bullish on, and if you guys are looking for more information, do your own due diligence and do your own research. At the end of the day, you must do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Whatever rewards you reap or whatever benefits you succumb to is you and your own personal financial decision, and I'm just here to tell you the best plays that I think you can do and I think that I can do for the rest of the year. So you can get UFO on KuCoin, ShibaSwap, Gate.io, BitSmart. Oh, currently, sorry, I forgot to tell you that Sprout you only can get on Uniswap. So it's going to have a lot of gas fees if you guys are aware. So UFO Gaming, this is their Twitter. They have 129.7k followers. They're going to be coming out there. They're coming out with their own NFTs, which are called UFOGs, where it's like their own little NFTs. They're creating their own NFT platform. They're still creating their game. They're currently still developing it. They've been launched on KuCoin recently. So as you can see, play to earn gaming options. Gamers seek to generate revenue on their own terms, doing what they love. Super Galactic will be the first display of how we seek to combine blockchain and gaming using the play to earn metaverse. However, UFO Gaming will ultimately act as your central GameFi platform or hub, choosing your genre you desire. We're passionate about advancing the gaming industry by using a vast potential of blockchain technology. So this project is going to be something to look out for, guys. If you guys are ready, I'd really recommend investing into this project. It's going to be something that you are not going to regret. So I'm going to call it there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye. Casper out.